purpose of this video is to clearly demonstrate how you will easily install your smart flow device and connect you to the cloud in less than 5 minutes. At this point you should have hopefully located your water meter. This can be your utility meter or sub-meter inside your asset. If you do not have a water meter, you can install any pulse output water meter at the first point of entry onto your building or construction site. A link for this type of water meter can be found in the description below. The Itron water meter allows your smart flow logger to simply connect directly to your water meter with the bracket provided. No wiring is required. Now you can turn on your device following the instructions provided in your cover letter and contact your smart flow monitoring team with your device ID number and asset type. Now let's look at a wired pulse output water meter. If you have a wired pulse output water meter, this can be connected to your smart flow logger via the cable connection. We suggest utilizing the left port on your logger for connecting to your water meter. Now connect the pulse cable from your water meter to your logger. It's simply a pulse and ground connection. Each meter provider will have different colors for the pulse and ground. Always refer to their specification sheet for reference. On your smart flow device, the pulse is always red and the ground is always green. Once this is completed, mount your device to a solid surface and make sure your antenna is up high, secured and not touching any objects. Again, simply turn on your smart flow device and contact the monitoring team with your device ID and asset type. The contact details and power on instruction are on your cover letter. You will then be onboarded by the monitoring team, who will provide a personalized dashboard demo explaining all the functions and features. The smart flow monitoring team will now be monitoring your asset 24/7, while providing you with real-time water usage analytics and alerts for water reduction, sustainability reporting, water bill validation, and much more. The smart flow logger is extremely versatile. It can be installed in any sector, inside or outside a building, in any condition. It can be installed without power or Wi-Fi and be deployed anywhere in the world. We have put a lot of time into simplifying the process for installing and monitoring water. If you have any questions, you can reach out to the Smart Flow support team, who are always available to assist. Check out our next video, where we will explain how to install a smart flow device with remote water shutoff capabilities. Thank you for watching.